Ana yotwa mwete tarehe 10 igere Jumaine nalitoko kora matangaye nabo twamwete amatenja achete abagaka bagaikaransa bagaitie gente kyorende tomoeni chitariki 10 tichikabere no kanisa jonsi nchigane irigo ikororo chibe kama sabororo tigere tomoeni rituke
bono ruchino muichano ngana antwanya kunyarora ana atwachire korora bono twagotire tutanya kora mwana
akigese na gesebuna twagotire myaka itubwate ngakugate myaka 77 nana korora kebusike ngeki bono igago togoje kotaibunga tutinde kianga cy'umwana uyu asengenje twaganyire imitienye ebere yaerire bono rende nabo tokumutinde kakarende karate gutuka nande kebusike nengero maiga kegoko
Kiente ko niko twaga keure kare korende yeikere na intu gyatonyorire niko twango saba asengenje twaganyire serikali twaganyira machibu ya serikali yeikere ngatiri konyarekana ya matene kenyoro baikaransire bamuire tigatokora ikemira kyo musi to ni kianga kiaya alavu onyora ka gutoka ale moyo aira ngo cyane tokora ikemira kende
gasire terasi twachire ko ligi twasoira se serikali una twanyorete rubati twagenda ta se serikali mapema kera twaikato katebi mukansura agakero mubunga akagenda paka Nairobi nakaika koti akalibota kera alibotia mutabati namanyite Ruto namanyite twamurigiri twabutire imitinye ebere yakorire yaerire bono twasinyirwe na tokora bono twamuire tokora ikemira nyanye ntumoro chikyaba gusi
Samaria kimutongoruko nyosirete no mwana wana twamuganyire gaki utuborire mitinye ebere tokona batebunga yaga ne tukogete ngojare twagire kuganyo utuborire tigatokora ikemira tutubute ko karaje Nyasaye natwaye
tukaranza tukaraburia bagaka bagwadvise nego cyako rurenda kara mu birutai tukanyora lijibumwe cyanga cyibutinde kubantu kamwa tokorego
ndeke na krocenga se tukare myaka giti yani kuri myaka iyo nondo mwana akabonega nanyakora bakabone ikine gende ko nesani nanyakora rindi
nonyo basire tete okutwakuri mitinye bere nkato kutete nonyo basire nyota gasireti nabo tokora rushike mira kwa twabutire nkato arashire torashike mira nyo kare moyena chagoja nane nabo torashike mira ke kimira kende
enga kiabere ntambe tutana komanyora bono etwamwete bune kenyoro ni chianga tutinde
ensemo ya barai begedini korwase bunge ya kisuchan North Imeye County ya Kisii nigo baimurunganire ebikora bya boroki go bechi skuru cyoboroso hase aboroki wabo bakurunka gusede skuru ko beterirwa kugenda kiskuru mpaka matuko yechi weekend igintu batebire buna tibali konyora libaga ryo gwikarana kikanisa asogo sasima buneke nigonge kubalina obosibole bwabo bwo sasima bakora wana Pastor Jovensi Nyangonde nigobono baruro kugolia gocha se wizara yekisemi kuligereria nganeyo muri kitodani ryontiri arobotirwa sinchira yobwikirano
ebikore bigati yaborokigwa achiskuru che serikali che woroso chitali che boarding kurwa kitutu cha North Imeye County ya Kisii kogende skuru matuko yichi weekend nigekyo kyagendere kongose birengereri ao asemetandao abange bakobolia igoro yubosibole bwaborokigwa bogosasima nakonyora chinsa kando na masomo abo akereri tuko kubatekana nayo ensemo yabarai begedini nigo nabarabo baorokirio kogechigwo kwabo nagotabuna aborokigwa bechi skuru balia bakorwenka na kogende skuru kererituko gose day school nigo bakobetererwa negati yabo nigo bagosusura bobe ekero baikiranira chi skuru elituko lia Jumatatu ingana yaretire oboba hase sekta yichisemi na korengana na brobo ikiga nigo gekorokia obugundo hase sekta yo
gente ke yatware konsani ene na sende bunu murandi ekyagere kirongo cy'ikanisa cyane cyonsi mbwate nko randia nanyoranga abana bane basaye mbayo nigo bakare sukuru teri buya ekiagera abana aba onye ntokobasomia amang'ana y'obonyasaye na tubegeria chisemi chiense sukuru Jumatatu ichuma naende twasoa Jumamosi twasoa mpaka Jumapili nabo arenge kokwana aserio yeringa onye esukuru mwarorere ng'a abana mbatagete kobororo Jumamosi bari ba Jumamosi batagete gutimoka baheri baga abana abo babere ekanisa.
Jabesh Nyangondi n'umurandia achikanisa chiga Adventista asensemo ya Marani oteba marange nigo bakuburwa abana bagosomya buku nabange babo nigo bakobwa guchabwa banywera ebirasi Jumamosi na Jumapili nabake balia bawikirana chikanisa tibali konyoro molembe hasi birasi
nyenjoteri egocha kutoka nga mwana tajetie sukuru Jumamosi kwa mana kosoa ko moita Jumatatu nga ninki atachiereti esukuru kego toko mwana yo Jumapili agotimoka tiko mwana yagende amubake Nyasaye Jumapili ase chikanisa elindo mwana anyoreri bagali ogokina buyaso bonyasaye narituranyare kubwaterana ase ngenchi ogokiniegesa kukiabono na kutebia abantu amang'ana igoro y'oburuti bwa Nyasaye
korengana n'abarandi abaiga amegerio yige Kristo nabwato bongencho bwaye kando nalia achiskuru na igo oikirana se birasi tikobwenereti koba ekebeterio nabuna nonyenkurwa sebuko keregento nkere ne chinga kichaye
Nyasaye nero koruchisemia araria asabana na ora bakini ase chimbwa chibwenerete bache ko abantu abanene lilieri mambia
abali basikwebanga buya mbagwateri bagali yali ukwebanga na basomya bana sama tukaya 5 taringa basomeje weekend nali baranya bagweta mono nelinga twanyoringa abali magutegiri bageri nene asinje kwira abana chi weekend gere bakanugendo gere ndakire teri buya abasaba asitwekenga yabono iga kisemjira bakabona siki kurasama megera Biblia na mangana ba yake moike arara bakonye gere bakiri bamanya Nyasaye na kwa mona gere banya baukina kintu batigire ensi uke bagambere na be bagosira na ndento chiko baikera kiagera one ensi abaramboire gwetera samangana abera mangana kwenda akindire ensi yabeire engale mono gwetera singe ya digital ona abana tosikuba nto balinga gwetera sigi kanisa ntonya to kubakonya
ekero tugutika abana bakogenda isiko galia ntubwati ba pastor ba mambi ntubwati balisia ba mambi turuli bagali nene abana baito banyare ko babago ikanisa muna bago ikeskuru baigo
okwe murungani kwiga ni kubaiko kogenderete hasi kanisa chige katoliki hasi chinsemo au hasirongo rwagusi bwigo hasi mesikiti okobolia kwabekwa gochasi wizara yichisemi koragwa n'umwaziri Migoso Gamba ukwanirengane hasi kilibuna hasa masomo yichisukuru kankyo eturatwalegesa ku kerale nobo Nyasaye ni chimbwa chimbe mamincha na chiria chibwenerete nabuna Nyasaye nerekeregento nkuriba terigeta seni kiaga tembe kurega se kaunti ya Kisii letrene ngoro kwa Daniel untiri
bemono homo likicho Daniel untiri hasorobatiru chinga kichigembure nyinge hegenderete kwene kiwase chinsemo haiga Kenya kurwa sorogongo rwagusi ensemo yabamenyi banyali bali chache kaunti ya Kisii igo bagendete kogokera hegetambukero kyogwaga chirwe bibanda no musikecho elio Kengo Nyambane ebyo bigendete kubakonya hase chinga kichi ase bamwenana irimbuya asoko wasemelia kwabo woko kolibya asobunchirili wabo nonyana se embure nyinge
tukuiranirio mweshimiwa Okengo biyamona asugo toroserie kibanda gekogera ngetokonye embure gotu gusumo basuru muru muchando twabwate embura yare gotu twanya kuminyoka ebisona byechituka cy'abantu twanyora nga twachabuire no monyene takoibuya Okengo nye tukumuboria bari bwatokugani bunuko atokonye na bara bwabagachere baigama go twatebire ngambi yamona sana asugo twagachera na ande karibu kwara tutarira
na njengu akero mweshimiwa ito Okengo Nyambane munambi yamana aseng'enja tokonye twagachire kibanda twabelege ye miaka mingi gweta ni miaka zaidi ya 30 lakini ntwana konya mweshimiwa go twagacha kibanda bono iga kibanda kinga tokonyete aseng'enja koigama na mangana mange aseng'enja kansoro ruto kansamo none kera customer yote achi atsantoramo ando genda no moyo yoyo te abani ndutwe ko konto nya chaiga iga okonye na bantu bete chingongonye chiense na baro babo batoko ni go gokonye baro bakonye nande ngo ganitore kwa toikanga ege twa kwa magania ito nebirengereri bieto bionsi gwabimanya ende gwatokorera yonsi
keng'era tumwagete mbuyamo natoroserete
Number 1 stage nya nyabio tu ne bate stage yabo okingocho nyama na baro tiyo ramno moje kwa konya kisana onekera itu goteru to utaka kona uchi town ga kembre gutu ndo mya twari kama ga
alafu na ande changamoto endere ga igenene igo turege suntaim goto gwe kana oji sai 12 ga twanya na twasiekire egasi bona twari gusaba serikali atokonya batorentere etaya ga igase nyabio tu nere tokonya bune semo ya security na yonya na tokwa bwa kaberege
Mũraigwenso Muske William Ruto hoyu igo kanyoro munyakirego gwe kiumbe kya East Africa Community nigatogirio kubwaterana wechinse echio bune nchero yamo yo kubwaterana aneno bonchereria nabigo gokinia ebirengo byechi sector kukwana chinga kiyokoro heutupa ya yomwelio we kiumbe kyo ANC mgosa sensi ya Tanzania Mũraigwense nigatebire buna kurwa chore twegotenerera ekiumbe kyo igane kiri hogokini birengo byechi sector haso kwene kibuna jinse chionko gendera chire Mũraigwense ya Buganda Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ero murayo muya wikiumbe kyo asara chikora aso mwaka yo muri mutwe
of 6 locally constructed cargo vessels in the past 3 years with a combined capacity of 3,500 tons, increasing cargo movement across the lake to 890,000 tons annually. Your Excellencies, on the services sector, regional tourism has experienced growth through our unified approach. The EAC participation in the Berlin International Tourism Bus in March 2025 as a single destination showcased our collective tourism potential to 10,000 international exhibitors and 160,000 visitors. In terms of people-to-people and intergovernmental cooperation, 3 partner states, Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania, successfully hosted the African Nations Championships, CHAN, registering very remarkable progress. I am confident that we have set the tone, and with the investments we are making in sporting infrastructure, we are moving beyond our traditional athletics to competitive and commercialized sports and sporting value chains that will create jobs for our people. Our commitment to value chains in sports remains steadfast as we prepare again to jointly host the Africa Cup of Nations tournament next year. Your Excellencies, the community continues to make progress in advancing regional digital integration as a critical pillar of our economic transformation and the realization of the EAC single digital market. In September 2025, the EAC adopted the United Nations Global Digital Compact, which promotes an open, safe, and secure digital future for all of us. In July 2025, the EAC joined the Artificial Intelligence for Good Impact initiative, which seeks to drive meaningful change using AI technologies and telecommunications, advance global AI capacity, and provide a platform to democratize AI education and foster global capacity. The heads of state have decided that the Republic of Uganda assumes the chair, and the Republic of Rwanda will be the rapporteur.
na soroboti rumonjo mo ligiriria tanyoro mutimo komo keto koira na ntugende ne kyonga sinjira yoboikira.
Lea Wow Kids Daycare ni kituo cha kulea watoto kuanzia mwaka 1 na kwenda Lea, mahali ambapo mtoto wako anajifunza kupitia michezo na kukua kwa furaha. Tunatoa huduma za full day na half day katika mazingira safi, salama na yenye upendo. Tuna wafanyakazi wenye mapenzi, subira na uangalifu wa hali ya juu kwa watoto wako. Lea Wow Kids Daycare. Tunazingatia potty training kwa ustadi, michezo bunifu na ya kuelimisha, shughuli za kujifunza zilizopangwa kitaalam, malezi yanayojenga akili, tabia na kujiamini kwa mtoto wako. Tunapatikana Kisii Town, Hema Business Park, second floor, room number 2. Wasiliana nasi kupitia 0714 824 433 au 0752 901005. Lea Wow Kids Daycare. Learning through play. Growth with joy.
Enyagitari ya HK International Medical Center nige gotoka imyomo cyobosongo nigo yakira sengencho yao nabo igo nige bwate abanyagitari bo bwato bomanyi bwaigoroke gima abo bakora merimo yabo keboikeranu
inche no manyagitari iri nikemma obanyi korwa senyagitari ya HK International Medical Center irega igo muchito bosongo
boigo enyagitari ya nige bwate chi machines chingiya echichigo tumeka koringoria marwaire ao asomobero na mariogo onsi alioraganye ase obobwene bwao
nabonta getogotanga senyagitari ya itu nigo togokara scanning yo mobero mogima yani tokonyoroka so umuntu bweke songo nga full body check up igonta getogotanga nigo tokorigereri korwa so motwe paka amaguru ise twarigerere the internal organs chia uchons pina kichigo function tokonyora chiri chia sero function abnormal twako amariogo
amarwaire bakorwaria ngamona diabetes gose oborwaire bwe sukari, high blood pressure, oborwaire bwe chinyigo gose kidney, asthma, arthritis, brucellosis, infertility in men and women, hormonal imbalance, family planning, uterine fibroids, oborwaire bwe stroke, prostate enlargement, stomach ulcers, chi allergies, cancer
nonye no mochando bwa maino amaina ali yako na gusumbwa nto bwata mariogo ya maino nto bwata maro mariogo ya marwaire emeki eri tichete emeki ngo tichere ya chikore nto bokongwa senkoro igonga mariogo ali yago tichore emeki gusako igore emeki yagera manyinga tarabya nto nyabwate nto bwata mariogo ali yago akorusia machando yechi joint chiri chikobuga borwaire bori tokorokanga osteoporosis na boro buno borwaire bochandeta abantu baito na boro bwa mariogo na rororo nkorigereri tore nonye na mangana respiratory system abantu barokonyora egekuba kiabo takonyara gutire getiro
epilepsy na boigo amarwaire andamange
na inda mariogo ya nigo tokonyarusia ase chinse cheisiko buna bono USA mariogo nari tokorusia stokoroka Los Angeles California eyere in USA na inde nkorustora mariogo anda ase chinse chiri tokorokanga Malaysia ayande nkorware India na ayande nigo tokonyarusi China
asamange bakeresimi ase number 0717176383 HK International Medical Center. Your health is your wealth.
Omugusi bono lishirika lya obwanjeteria Getembe Television Network ama na Getembe FM nigo lyakoretero bokorere bwayo gocange nasore tutarere imiye nyomberi ya Uhuru Towers lirongo litangani asebale kuruchinsemo cha Kisii kogenda Kisumu agene nyumba ya M Taylor iriyo tunyara ko batogosangamo naye na gukina nyabunegisaku cy'umugusi Getembe FM na Getembe Television Network ekeneke unga kyama mugusi.
Karibu nainde umwanju murigereria abarai bokomereria serikali bakorawa no muraibe kyama kagwaipa homuske Kalonzo Musyoka muraibe kyama gia DCP Rigathi Gachagua igo bagendete kumochia serikali asikeli nigendete gukirira ingana yabasae kogendera gosirie obogima bwabo ase ensi ya Russia kubatikana n'esege yegendete gati ensi ya Russia hamo na Ukraine. Chingeki cha barayi bo nigo benekire buna hekera barachikoiro barayi nigo barachikweneki buna wananchi nkokokera bare obokoreri bwabo.
Through credible diplomatic channels and corroborated reports, deeply troubling information has emerged concerning the irregular issuance of travel documents, the recruitment of Kenyan youth into foreign combat roles, the abandonment of Kenyan citizens stranded abroad, and the facilitation of sanctioned actors within our borders. Indeed, as we speak, I think William Ruto is handing over the chairmanship of East African Community Summit. And as he does so, he has performed poorly. During his tenure as a chair of the summit, we have seen that even countries of the region did not have enough confidence even to pay up their contributions. The cost of a return flight is a fraction of the billions squandered through corruption and misplaced expenditure. There is no justification whatsoever for leaving Kenya citizens to perish or suffer in foreign lands because they cannot afford airfare home. We call on this regime to immediately facilitate the safe, dignified and fully government-funded return of all Kenyan citizens currently stranded in the Middle East and other parts of the world. Not a single Kenyan should be asked to pay for their own rescue. Number 5, a formal diplomatic clarification affirming Kenya's neutrality and non-alignment with any foreign military campaign inconsistent with international law. We have always held the principle of active non-alignment, full adherence to constitutional protections regarding due process and the principle of non-refoulement, including appropriate restitution in all cases of unlawful rendition. Since silence in the face of these violations is not an option, we issue this statement not to inflame, but to protect the Republic and uphold the dignity of every Kenyan citizen at home and abroad. The United Alternative Government stands ready to restore dignity, to restore integrity to our institutions, defend Kenya's international reputation, and ensure that the state power is exercised only in accordance with the Constitution and the rule of law.
Hata mimi nataka kuwatahadharisha World Bank wajue kwamba hiyo program inaitwa Nyota, National Youth Opportunities Towards Advancement. Ruto ako na jama ya kuitambaratisha kupitia hiyo njia ya national, hiyo inaitwa cool. Ati kitu itafanana YK92. Ati anasema vijana watakuja wanakoto waweke huko hapo.
Ikiunga chigosori timu ya Shabana nigo yaikore timu ya Muhoroni Youth chigoli sano hase chigoli bere na koye beterli Muhoroni kogendanka asenkoyo ya Mozarte omo rikito Wycliffe Manyara Tyson norogoturwa asenchira yo wikira
ase engoyo ya Musat Cup chingoyo aoncha gosoligwa aiga Kenya. Etimu ya Shabana eyo yagosoria engoyo yae ase getikia Kusi Stadium nigo yaye kora Muhoroni Youths chigoli isano ase ibere. Okwana maega yengoyo ekochenene ya Muhoroni Youths nigo atagokigwa amone chiref chengoyo eyo.
It has been a very cagey match. It was intense, so much intense. It could have gone either way. But as a tactician, I feel that there were lapses in officiating a bit. That's why in advanced leagues we have the VAR, yeah, to revisit, to counter-check certain decisions. All in all, it is a spilt milk. I really thank my boys. When you consider the age ratio, they are very young boys who are just gaining experience. The key point, I'm a former Shabana Football Club tactician. I would have really wanted to win this match. This is the third time we are meeting. Initially we met while I was in Silibwet. I lost the match. Now the record as it, they still have got a better record. But in a nutshell, officiating has really been wanting. Yeah, to me certain decisions shouldn't be made independently by the center referee.
Pito Kidi amono mogosoria Oshabana baraboni go bago kigwa amone ngoyo ya lero.
I'm happy we've managed to win this game. You know, it was not an easy one after conceding last week, so we have obligation to win this one. So we thank God it has happened to us, and thanks the whole team so that we are fight to make it happen. So we're going to keep focus for the next game, and I think everything will be okay.
Leo tunashukuru tumevuka next stage. Hiyo ndio ya muhimu. Kidogo naweza sema kiwanja haijakuwa nzuri. Ukiangalia imekuwa na matope mingi. Najua kutakuwa na hizo strains za players. Kidogo ime derail speed yetu. Then naweza sema kiwanja imechangia. So naweza sema tume move to the next stage. We are happy about that, but kidogo tena tunarudi kama team tunajiuliza mbona tuna concede bao, tunapeana easy goals. Ukiangalia tume gift out easy goals. Game ya juzi tumecheza na FC tume gift away goals. So it's a problem na ni kitu ambayo inafaa tu handle very fast kabla ijakuwa kansa kubwa. So ni kitu tume detect leo, tumeiona leo kwa sababu game ya FC ukiangalia tulifungwa na set piece. Kuna mabao tulipeana zikukuwa TFC wamenini, then ukiangalia pia hii game, ukiangalia bao ya kwanza, bao ya pili imekuwa ni gift kwa opponent. So ni something ambayo we need to step up very fast kama players and technical bench to arrest isifike isikue mbaya.
Chiti muchinde changanyire kwa round of 32 ngamo na Tusker FC, Kenya Police amo na KCP. Chingoyo chinde cha Musat Cup chiche kokosoli wa Ankyo.
Musat Cup nengoyo ekero etimu ego ikorwa ego enda sobori sabu. Lero Shabana FC yanyara gwikora Moroni Youth chigori sano asaibere Shabana yagendere mutu Moroni yachire risabu. Kuripotera Katembe njewe Cliff Tyson Manyara.
Na goikiraga bo mancho mo rigeria no goikero mwelio bwa mangana mayiye kyonga chinsenya chabo no butko ilitirane Cyrus Nyakunde asense meli manyirio nigaringe Fenesa Nyabuke na gusabiro twaru butko na boigo burigeria borobia.
Lea Wow Kids Daycare ni kituo cha kulea watoto kuanzia mwaka mmoja na kuendelea, mahali ambapo mtoto wako anajifunza kupitia michezo na kukua kwa furaha. Tunatoa huduma za full day na half day katika mazingira safi, salama na yenye upendo. Tuna wafanyakazi wenye mapenzi, subira na uangalifu wa hali ya juu kwa watoto wako. Lea Wow Kids Daycare tunazingatia potty training kwa ustadi, michezo bunifu na ya kuelimisha, shughuli za kujifunza zilizopangwa kitaalamu, malezi yanayojenga akili, tabia na kujiamini kwa mtoto wako. Tunapatikana Kisii Town, Hema Business Park, second floor, room number 2. Wasiliana nasi kupitia 0714824433 au 0752901005. Lea Wow Kids Daycare, learning through play, growth with joy.
Enyagitari ya HK International Medical Center nigegotoka imyomo chobosongo nigo yakira sengencho yao nabo igo nigebwate abanyagitari babwato bomanyi bwaigoro kegima abo baokora merimo yabo keboikeranu
inche no manyagitari iri nikemma obanyi korwa senyagitari ya HK International Medical Center irega igo muchito bosongo
Boigo nyagitaria nigebwate chi machines chingia echi chigotumeka koringoria marwaire ao asomobero na mariogo onsi alioraganye ase obobwene bwao
na bonta getogotanga ase nyagitaria ito nigotogokara scanning yo mobero mogima yani tokonyoroka so mono bweke songo nga full body check up igonta getogotanga nigotokorigereri korwa so motwe paka amaguru ise twarigerere the internal organs chia uchons pina kichigo function tokonyora chiri chia sero function abnormal twako amariogo
amarwaire bakorwaria ngamona diabetes gose oborwaire bwe sukari, high blood pressure, oborwaire bwe chinyigo gose kidney, asthma, arthritis, brucellosis, infertility in men and women, hormonal imbalance, family planning, uterine fibroids, oborwaire bwe stroke, prostate enlargement, stomach ulcers, chi allergies, cancer
nonya no mochando bwa amaino aliako na gusumbwa nto bwata mariogo ya